Sometimes it happens that we've already started our hour of code, our Scratch programming, and we've closed down, we've shut the tab off, and now we want to go back in and start a new one. And so we go out, we open a tab, and we type in, Scratch, and we get out to our account and we click on our project that we're working on, or we can go up here under our name and we can say my stuff. That works too. And we can, pick the cartoon that we're working on or the project that we're working on. And we can see our programming there. Well, just wait a minute. We have to wait for our project to load. But we want to keep working on it. So we have to click on this See Inside. And, you can see my programming there that I was working on part of it. But I've lost my tutorial. I need my tutorial to help me. Well, if I go up here and I click on tutorials and I find the one that says code a cartoon, and if I click on it, so it opened a whole nother programming stage here. But none of my programming is in there. This is not the one I was working in. If you look up here, you can see I have another tab open. That's where my programming is. But when I clicked on Code a Cartoon, it opened a whole new one. So I don't want to start programming on a second programming stage. So what you might end up having to do is to watch your tutorial on this programming stage or on this Scratch tab, and then go over here and do your actual programming in the one that has your name on it. Okay, so I hope that doesn't cause you any confusion. So just use two tabs, go back and forth between the two, and use that for your programming. If you have any problems, just let me know.